Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics: level 15 fishing, the Tide's Blessing quest complete, and 1 auto bait. Once you have those, open the game settings and toggle on background crafting and auto-perform features so the system can run unattended. Next, equip your primary rod and confirm your tackle slot contains auto bait. Make sure your inventory has at least 1 free slot per auto catch. Now start a short active session to register the auto mode. This primes the mechanic. Now configure the auto parameters. Set the snap interval to 3 to 5 seconds to balance speed and detection accuracy. You should prioritize rarer bait first because the system consumes higher value baits when available. This increases profit per catch. Next, turn on stamina management and cap it at 80% so your character rests before failing a catch. Also assign a secondary lure and bind the quick toggle key. This allows you to intervene seamlessly if a special bite occurs, and you must take manual control. Finish by running a 10-minute test in a safe zone while watching the log to confirm auto catches register. If you see no auto activity, immediately re-equip auto bait, relog, and reopen settings. This refresh often solves recognition bugs. Make sure the app has permission for background play and that phone or PC power-saving modes are off. These can suspend the auto routine. If problems persist, reduce snap intervals slightly and rerun the test. You'll usually isolate timing or permission issues this way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.